This first activity shows a soccer throw-in. Low intensity to high intensity is used to complete this activity. The length of time to complete this activity is 3 to 5 seconds, utilizing the ATP-PCR system using phosphocreatine to produce ATP. The muscular contractions used in this activity are isotonic, eccentric, concentric contractions. The major muscle groups are deltoids, pecs, core muscles, quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Implications for training for this activity are upper body plyometrics, bench press, and core workouts.
A soccer game is aerobic and anaerobic in nature. The intensity ranges from low to high throughout the duration of the game, which is split up into two 45-minute halves. During a short sprint, anaerobic glycolysis is being used, whereas aerobic glycolysis is being used throughout the rest of the game as the players are continuously working and exerting energy. Some of the major muscle groups crucial to train in order to perform at optimal levels are the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, glutes, and hip flexors, and the abdominal muscles. The type of muscle contractions that occur throughout the activity are isotonic, eccentric, and concentric. Specific exercises that can be used for training for soccer include squats, agility and speed workouts such as shuttles, figure eights, and the agility ladder, all which focus on the lower body strength.
The next activity is a softball pitch. A single fast pitch would be high intensity, lasting for about 4 to 8 seconds. For a single pitch, a pitcher would be utilizing the ATP-PCR system. The ATP-PCR system uses phosphocreatine to produce ATP. Energy produced from the ATP-PCR system only lasts for 3 to 5 seconds before the energy storage is depleted. The major muscle group in the shoulder that is being used is the rotator cuff, as well as the deltoids. Other major muscle groups include the quadriceps, the hamstrings, and the calves. All of these muscles are concentrically and eccentrically contracting throughout the entire pitch. The abdominal muscles, however, stay isometric through the pitch, supporting the body. Training for pitchers would include quickness and power workouts. Some examples of exercises that could be done include hang clean, back squatting, plyometrics such as box jumps, sled pushes, and sprint workouts such as shuttles.
The third activity shows a volleyball spike. This is a high-intensity activity only lasting about 4 seconds, utilizing the ATP-PCR system to produce ATP.
The muscle contractions used in this activity include isotonic contractions, concentric contractions, and eccentric contractions. The major muscle groups include the rotator cuff muscles, quads, hamstrings, and calves.
Training for a volleyball spike includes activities such as lower body and upper body plyometrics, chin-ups, and Olympic lifts such as hang cleans.